With the attempts to recover the ability to reach your arm behind your back, oftentimes that's a most difficult task for people to recover who've had shoulder surgery. And so the UE Ranger can be used to assist you in that process. One of the methods that we use is to use your staircase to support the base of the tool. It's pressed up against there and you place a light pressure against the stair, and then you simply just walk away and then walk sideways, and then you back up within the capacity of your arm to support that. Oftentimes the ribs and the collarbone contribute to the limit, so at a person's limitation you can apply just a simple squatting motion which helps to open up the torso and give the patient a little bit easier go of it with respect to the shoulder. It can also be used repetitiously where you just walk in and out to work on the ease of that recovery. Now what I'll show is an ability to do it more with an open chain execution.